Hello, my name is Jack from Först, the UK and Europe's largest woodchipper manufacturer. Today I'm going to run you through the 8-inch diesel range. We have 3 model variants available. The ST8, the road tow machine, the TR8, the standard track machine, and the XR8, the embankment machine, capable of angles up to 35 degrees. All sport the powerful 55 horsepower Doosan diesel engine and have an in-feed of 8x10 inch. We're going to talk about the 8-inch diesel range. We also offer a petrol version of the ST8. However, most want to hear about the diesel options. Here we have the ST8D, the 55 horsepower Doosan engine machine. We'll start with the hopper. It has an 8x10 inch in-feed and a nice wide hopper leading right the way down to the rollers. We use a thick grade of seal and a full-length piano hinge, providing consistent strength right the way across the width of the hopper. On the 8-inch range, we have these forward and reverse buttons. These operate the feed rollers. They're touch sensitive, so there's no moving parts. They're waterproof, dustproof and vibration proof and sit nice and flush with the side of the hopper, so there's no chance of them getting knocked off. Something we have changed on our machines is the reverse function. The older machines, the reverse function worked as a one-tap, meaning that the feed rollers would constantly spin in reverse. The newer machines now come with a tap and hold function, meaning the feed rollers will only spin in reverse for as long as you're holding the button. This also enables you to tap the button to spin the feed rollers out gradually to remove the material. The cabling for the buttons is all tucked in by this extra support, which also means it gives the hopper extra strength. We have a full-width hopper support that bears the weight between the hopper and the chassis. With all our machines, has a nice large 30-litre clear fuel tank, meaning it's easy to see how much fuel you have left. Also has a nice large filler neck, meaning it's easy to fill up. We have an adjustable feed roller. This means that you can speed up and slow down the feed rollers, depending upon the material that you're chipping. This also means that you can alter the size of the wood chip. So the faster the feed rollers, the larger the wood chip, and the slower the feed rollers, the finer the wood chip. We have the Först Auto Intelligence screen. This is the dashboard, the main brain of the machine. This screen will show you when the machine's due for its service, the hours, and also if a scheduled regeneration's due. As with all of our Först machines, we have a centralised grease bank, meaning that you can grease every bearing on the machine from one simple, easy location. Now let's get to the bit that gives Först its phenomenal chipping performance. Here we have 2 easy to undo clips, enabling you to open the bonnet, giving you full access to the engine. It gives you plenty of room to work around the engine for servicing and maintenance, and this particular machine is a Doosan 55 horsepower DPF diesel engine. It has a nice easy access belt tensioner. The air filter is located on the top, the oil filter is just slightly below it, the dipstick next to it for ease of checking the oil, and should you need to top it up with engine oil, topping up is just to the right. Here we have the powerhouse of the machine, the Först flywheel. It's an open top flywheel. It comprises of a pair of 10-inch blades, 180 degrees apart from each other, meaning that per revolution of the flywheel, you're getting 2 full cuts, as well as a consistent size of chip. With it being an open-top flywheel means we don't get chip stuck between the flywheel and the blades. The material comes through, is cut by these 10-inch blades, and it lands on these paddles. And it's the paddles that throw the material out through the chute. It's incredibly good on green waste and wet material. The flywheel bearings in our machines are oversized. They're a pillar block bearing and ensure durability and longevity of the machine. The blades cut against the anvil. The anvil couldn't be simpler to turn or replace. Simply undo the 19mm bolt, remove the cover, and the anvil slides out. The Först grip feed roller system is the part that makes the machine so aggressive and effective at pulling in awkward material. The top feed roller follows this arch, meaning that it's constantly pulling down on fresh material. This sensor's a proximity sensor. It picks up on the RPM reading of the flywheel. This sends the information back to the Först Auto Intelligence system, which regulates the no stress control on the machine. The Först electrical system comprises of plug-and-play components, which is very user-friendly. All of our 8-inch machines are the same. They have the same 8x10 inch in-feed, the same 55 horsepower diesel Doosan engine. The differences that sets them apart is the track or axle that they're sat on. Right, let's bolt this one back up. We'll show you a TR8 in action, as well as a traction leg system on the XR8. We hope you found this video useful. To see any one of the 3 machines in action, please get in contact to arrange your free of charge on-site demonstration. Thanks for watching.